Do you have an image you love but can't use because of an unsightly watermark? Today, we are going to explore watermarkremover.io, an online tool that will help you remove watermarks from your images in just a few clicks. Let's dive in and see how it works. Start by uploading the image file from your device that contains the watermark. Just click Upload Image and select your file. Once your image is uploaded, the real magic begins. The tool processes your image almost instantly, seamlessly removing the watermark right before your eyes. Take a moment to review your newly transformed watermark-free image. If you're happy with the result, simply click the download button to save your clean, beautiful image to your device. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you have turned a watermarked image into a clean, usable masterpiece. Try watermarkremover.io today and see the difference it can make. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos.